Wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa, i-release din natin agad 8 electric vehicles starting very strong with an electric motorcycle. So unang electric motorcycle ng Motor EVP. Ang pangalan ng electric motorcycle na to is si Raze Astra. Ito ay 2-wheel electric vehicle, single drive motor, meron tong front telescopic fork suspension, top box compartment, at hindi kailangan ng lisensya nito. So ito ay may battery na 48 volts 20 Ah na lead acid battery. So upgradable yan as always dito sa Motor electric vehicle. 700 watts peak power, 40 kph yung max speed, 40 kilometers naman yung range, 14 inches tires, front mechanical disc brake, rear drum brake. Ang throttle naman nito ay twist. Meron tong headlight, taillight, at signal lights. Meron tong busina, at may susian at remote alarm. Okay, so disclaimer lang, yung mga presyo i-release ko sa dulo, parang isang bagsakan na lang naka-price list. Let's go! Next up, meron tayong isa pang seated electric vehicle. Or pwede mo rin itong i-consider na electric motorcycle. So this unit is Raze Cafe. Wow, bakit cafe? Mukhang cafe racer. Napakaganda at tiyak na mapapakape ka pag binili mo to sa sobrang ganda ng itsura. So this unit is a 2-wheel electric vehicle, single drive motor to sa likod, full suspension to, napakaganda ng suspension at napakaganda ng build, center storage compartment. So pwede ka pa maglagay dyan ng battery kung gusto mo mag long ride. Stock specifications ng unit na to: 48 volts 11 Ah lithium ion cells. So, kayang-kaya natin i-upgrade yan, depende sa budget nyo. At sakto-sakto, meron yung center storage compartment. 770 watts peak power, 40 kph max speed. Meron tong 3 modes na pwede mong gamitin: full electric, may pedal assist, or manual. So, di-differentiate ko lang yung tatlong yun. Full electric is naka-throttle ka lang, umaasa ka lang dun sa electric power niya. Next is pedal assist. Pag pa-jack mo sa ating bike pedals, is meron siyang extra push. Then lastly is yung manual, no? So makikita nyo dito sa spec sheet natin is meron tayong range of 20 kilometers pag full electric. Pag naka-pedal assist ka naman, around 40 kilometers. Ang gulong na ito ay 12 inches tires na. Meron tong front mechanical disc brake and rear drum brakes. Twist throttle na to. Headlights, taillights, signal lights, meron yan. May horn na din yan at key ignition and alarm. Isingit ko rin ng napakabilis lahat ng release natin ngayong araw. Itong 8 electric vehicles na to ay perfect for hatid sundo purposes. Kasi meron tong mahabang upuan na pwede mag-angkas or magkandong. Next natin is si Raze Canyon. So this unit is a 3-wheel electric vehicle. Meron tong mid-drive motor, full suspension na rin to, napakaganda ng build at makikita nyo naman, solid na solid. Meron din tong center storage compartment, mas malaki kaysa dun sa Raze Cafe natin. So pwede ka maglagay ng mas malaki pang battery. You know what I mean, yo? You can go anywhere you want. At yung ibang purposes dito, pwede kayong maglagay ng groceries. Yung iba naman, kung gusto nyo isama yung pet nyo sa inyong ride, pwede nyo rin sila dito ilagay. Safe na safe kasi merong yung lock. For the stock specifications, 48 volts 11 Ah lithium ion cells yung gamit natin dito. 1,000 watts peak power. Meron tong 40 kph speed, 20 kilometers range. So ito ay full electric only, wala tong pedal assist. And sinabi ko nga kanina, pwede natin i-upgrade yung battery yan since nagbe-build tayo dito sa Motor electric vehicle, baby. 10 inches tubeless tires as a stock na to, no? Naka-dual drum brake system, naka-twist throttle, meron din tong headlight, taillight, at signal lights. May busina, merong reverse drive. So ang kinaganda nito, since malaki na ang electric vehicle na to, meron na yung reverse drive. So pindutin nyo lang yung button, pak! Pag tinrattle nyo, aatras kayo. Let's go, baby! Meron na rin tong key ignition and alarm for your safety. Ano pa advantage na itong 3-wheel electric vehicle natin? Is hindi mo na kailangan mag-balance. Ang isa sa mga hindrances ng mga buyers natin is hindi sila marunong mag-balance. So ito, hindi mo na kailangan mag-balance. Kasi, tatlo yung gulong. Race Canyon, baby! Mahirap maging bias, pero ito isa sa mga paborito ko sa mga i-release nating electric vehicles ngayon. Si Race Cadillac, baby! Woo! Pangalan pa lang, napakaganda. Race Cadillac. So this unit is a 4-wheel electric vehicle. Meron tong dual drive rear motor. Hub type to, no? Actually, pwede nyo siya i-compare kung familiar kayo sa Nami Blast since single swing arm motor to. So, napakalakas ng torque, full suspension as well. Meron din tayong center storage compartment. At makikita nyo, solidong-solido ang build nito, no? Napaka-pogi, napakaganda, at napakalakas ng torque. For the specifications, pwede kayo mag-refer sa screen. Meron tayong 48 volts, 15 Ah lithium-ion cell. So, mas malaki compared sa Cafe and sa Canyon. Meron tong dalawang 1,000 watts peak motor wattage. So, ang speed naman nito is around 40 kph. Ang range nito ay 30 kilometers. So, this unit is also full electric. Meron tong 4 na 10 inches tubeless tires, baby. Naka-dual drum brake system. Base throttle. Meron tong headlight, taillight, at signal lights. Horn. At meron din tong reverse drive. Since malaki na to at mabigat, this will come in handy. And lastly, meron din tong key ignition at remote alarm. If ahonan ang labanan, sure ball, makakaahon to since dual drive motor na to, no? At napakalaki ng center compartment na ito. Sobrang laki ng pwede mong i-fit. By just looking at it, kaya natin mag-fit ng 150 Ah dyan. Want to sawa ka na mag-ride hanggang malobat yan kung gusto mo. Meron din tong storage area sa harap at sa likod. Kung gusto yung maglagay dyan ng kung ano-ano, mga pansit canton, pwede. Ayan, so nasa kalahati na tayo ng 8 electric vehicle release natin for tonight. So napakarami yan at napakaganda ng mga releases na to at very excited ako i-share sa inyo. Let's go! Okay. Isisingit ko lang. Mabilisan lang, no? Naghanap kayo ng murang electric vehicle with excellent after sales at sureball na may parts at meron kayong matatakbuhang tao. Motor Electric Vehicle Philippines. Check us out. Meron tayong Facebook, meron tayong TikTok, meron tayong Shopee, meron tayong YouTube. Let's go! Etong second half natin ay napakabilis lang. Kasi meron tayong 4 na electric bikes na i-release which are very famous. Sino ba to? Si Leo DiCaprio? O si Dolphy? So, etong i-release natin ay Super 73 electric bikes. At napakasikat nito at napakaganda. Alam mo, nung nakita ko to sa picture, sabi ko, maganda. Pero nung nakita ko sa personal, sobrang ganda ng itsura at napakaganda ng quality, no? So, papakita natin sa inyo. Starting off with Super 73 S1. Ito yung pinakamura sa 4. So, ito ay para sa city riding. Meron siyang front rigid fork. So, ito yung paborito ko pala sa 4 since ito ang pinaka simplistic at minimalist ang design. Mabilis ang specifications. So, meron tong 48 volts, 13 Ah lithium-ion detachable battery pack. At pwede rin natin i-upgrade yan kung gusto nyo. Kasi nagbibuild tayo dito sa Motor EVP. Meron tong 1,000 watts peak power. Meron tong 45 kph max speed. Meron itong 3 ways of riding. Full electric, pedal assist at manual. Same doon sa Race Cafe natin. So, nagva-vary ang range niya. Depende sa way of riding nyo. So, for the full electric, meron tayong 25 kilometers range, more or less. Pag naka-pedal assist ka naman, 45 kilometers. Or, pag nag-manual riding ka, unlimited, depende sa tuhod mo. Unli tuhod, unli ahon. Let's go! So, itong Super 73 S1 natin ay single speed. Meron itong 20 by 4 inches fat tires. Naka-mechanical disc brakes to, which are upgradable to hydraulic brakes. Meron tayo dito sa motor electric vehicle. Let's go! Meron na tayo lahat ng size yan. And on hand, shameless plug. Let's go! Naka-thumb throttle to. And lastly, meron tong head and tail light. Moving forward, ang susunod natin is si Super 73 S2. So itong unit naman ay more on city riding or light trail riding. So pwede ka mag light off-roading kung gusto mo since meron tong boom, front dual telescopic fork suspension. So yan yung isa mga differences niya sa S1. So quick specifications. So 48 volts, 13 Ah lithium ion detachable battery pack din to. 1000 watts peak power, 45 kph speed. Meron din tong 3 ways of riding like all electric bicycles. Again, full electric, pedal assist, and manual. 25 kilometers range sa full electric, 45 kilometers range sa pedal assist, and unlimited range sa manual pedaling. So meron tong 7-speed Shimano shifting system. So isa pa yan sa mga differences niya sa S1. Okay, so moving forward sa ating third electric bicycle, Super 73 Y1. So ano ang pinagkaiba nito sa S1 and S2? Is naka full suspension na to. If gusto mo mag off-roading, pwedeng-pwede na to kasi harap at likod may suspension. Quick specifications: 48 volts, 13 Ah lithium ion battery pack, removable din, detachable, stock battery pack na ito. 1000 watts peak power, 45 kph with 3 modes din, 25 kilometers range full electric, 45 kilometers range pedal assist. And same sa S2, meron ditong 7-speed Shimano Tourney TZ shifting system, 20 by 4 inches fat tires, mechanical disc brakes, upgradable to hydraulic disc brakes, thumb throttle, meron din tong headlight at taillight, and lastly, may busina. And last but not the least, Super 73 RX, baby! Basically, si Y1 and RX, pinagkaiba lang nila is yung frame. Okay? So, depende na yan sa type mo, kung mas type mo itsura ni Y1 or ni RX. Kaya marami tayong in-offer dito, kasi iba't ibang tao, iba't iba naman ang mga type. Let's go! Bigla naging love advice, you know what I mean? Specifications ng RX natin, 48 volts, 13 Ah lithium ion cells din to. Detachable din yan, and upgradable as well. 1000 watts peak power, 45 kph, meron din tong 3 modes, 25 kilometers sa full electric, 45 kilometers sa pedal assist, and unlimited sa manual. Meron din tong 7-speed shifting system, Shimano Tourney TZ rin, 20 by 4 inches tires, mechanical disc brakes, thumb throttle din to. Meron tong headlight and taillight at busina. So basically, pinagkaiba-iba ng apat na yan is kung saan mo siya i-apply, saan ka mag-ride, sa city ba or off-road ka. Then sa presyo, maliliit lang naman differences yan. And lastly, yung seat height. Ang pinakamababang seat height dyan is si S1. So itong price list natin ay introductory price. First 5 customers to purchase, etong presyo ang makukuha nyo. Okay? So for Raze Astra, 24,999 pesos. For Raze Cafe, 25,999 pesos. For Raze Canyon, 28,999 pesos. For Raze Cadillac, 36,999 pesos. Para naman sa ating Super 73 series, Super 73 S1, 34,999 pesos. For Super 73 S2, 36,999 pesos. For Super 73 YX, 38,999 pesos. Last but not the least, Super 73 RX, 38,999 pesos. Ayan guys, so napakamura, no? Hindi ko na alam kung bakit hindi pa kayo dito bumili kasi napakaganda ng electric vehicle dito, tapos sobrang napakamura, tapos may excellent after sales pa. Wow, let's go baby! Ayan guys, check nyo na rin yung ibang price list natin ng electric scooters. Diyan tayo expert talaga, diyan tayo nagsimula. Going strong, almost 3 years na tayo sa November. Let's go, a bit away ng a bit away. So, if interested kayo, kindly message me. Rumekta na kayo sa akin, no? Yung Facebook profile ko andyan sa description down below. Contact number ko andyan sa screen nyo. Pwede nyo akong tawagan. Usap tayo. Kung may problema kayo, burahin nyo ako. Okay lang sa akin. Trabaho ko yan. Wow! Let's go! So, wala na akong sabihin. Abin away, baby. Ayan, so sorry kung medyo hyper ako kasi nagkape ako, no? So shoutout sa kape.
Bagong latest yan mga bro. Kailan dumating yan bro?
Kanina lang.
Ang maganda niyan, Super 73 101.9 for life XB. Woo!